Hey, what's up, guys? This is IndigoTechno coming with another installment of an unboxing review on the i.Trek. It's called the Super Mount 7, Super Mount 7. So, let's get into the unboxing. Basically, this is just like a iPod or any phone device tripod mount. Um, I did research and I needed one to do these videos, so I came along the Super Mount 7 by i.Trek. So that's just the box showing you how to use it, all the features, and they had it in a couple different colors. It was like a gold one, the blue one, and the silver one that I bought. Um, it's not that big. It's probably not even bigger than my iPhone. Um, Now I got this one because most mounts don't work with phone cases. You will have to take them out of the case like I'm doing. I'm going to show you two examples, one with the case and one without. So right now it's without the case. So I'm going to show you how you can still record with it on and take pictures, whatever you want to do with it. It's very easy to put on, but I'm having a little bit of trouble trying to show it in frame. Alright, so all you gotta do is just turn the bottom knob clockwise. Just like you would do with the screw and unscrew it, you know. Lefty loosey, tighty righty. Lefty loosey, tighty righty. I think that's what it is. Alright, so it works. I was just moving it all around. It's just snug. It has like these little pads on the inside, so they won't scratch your phone or slip out in any way. See that it works in video also. And you can put this anywhere around your phone. So I just chose at the bottom of the speaker. Oh shit. Alright, so this is number 2 review for the case with the Super Mount 7. And I got this on Amazon, so yeah, shout out to Amazon. Oh, just another thing. They have ones without the twisty with the twist knob, with the twist, handle. I really don't know why they would sell it without it. Maybe there's a different way to twist it on and on. Or maybe you just, you get it secure one way and you just never take it off, I guess. I'm not sure. Maybe you buy it separately. But as you can see, it fits perfect with any case. You can use this with any case. Twirl, twirl, shake, and snug. Perfect. So, guys, I hope this worked out for you. Please subscribe, like, it's for free. Just show love. Alright, peace.